So Xiaomi has finally confirmed that the much awaited Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 will launch on July 19. Not only that, the company has also confirmed some of its key specifications. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 will come in blue and white color, but there might be other color options as well. The camera island is slightly different than what we saw in the renders. It has a slight curvature on its bottom edge. It has a quad camera setup at the back. The main camera could be paired with a 5x periscope lens, a telephoto lens and an ultra-wide-angle lens. And since it's a Xiaomi phone, the cameras will take advantage from Leica Simulix lens, which would improve the photography experience even further. But one of the standout features is gonna be its design. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 will be one of the lightest and thinnest foldable phones on the planet. It measures only 9.47mm thick when folded, just falling behind the thinnest foldable phone, the Honor Magic V3, which has a whopping 9.26mm thickness. Xiaomi has also kept the weight of the device under control. It weighs only 226 grams, which is even lighter than some of the candy bar phones. Xiaomi has used T800H high-strength carbon fiber to minimize its weight. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 might be Xiaomi's first foldable phone to feature the Xiaomi Dragon Bone Hinge 2.0. This new hinge would greatly improve its reliability while maintaining its thinness. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 will feature IPX8 rating for water resistance. This will make the device durable and long-lasting. Powering this foldable phone will be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which means it will rival the likes of the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro, Honor Magic V3 and Galaxy Z Fold 6. The recent 3C listing of the device reveals satellite connectivity feature, which is a must-have feature on any flagship device. The Mix Fold 4 will come up to 16 gigs of RAM and up to 1 TB of internal storage. As I said earlier, the highly anticipated foldable is launching on July 19 in China. And let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.